Okay, so my project du jour is fixing this front step for no other reason that it's really irritating me, because we're not going to actually finish the porch today, but we're going to fix this little tripping hazard, and then eventually it'll wind up getting painted and we'll put some steps from the front door. Zeb's just drilling a pilot hole so that way he can put a masonry screw in to hold our form in place, and we'll just go ahead and form all the way across the front, and then we'll be ready to put in the cement.
All right, now you can turn the water on. All right, Win!
Are you a master mixer?
I'm not a master mixer. But we're gonna get it mixed.
So you put this down and then you float some stuff over the top of it to make it smooth?
Nope. Use the trowel to make it smooth. You push the rocks down and it gets creamy on the top.
Oh. Let's do this. I did tile that one time when you were not in town. Remember, I did both bathrooms and the laundry room. Of course, I had my dad telling me what to do. So you're gonna just put it in there? I think it's too dry. Like, see right there? You can't like. Like it's not. There we go. I just want the record to show that I shoveled for 10 minutes mixing this and Zeb wasn't even filming.
Sometimes it happens.
I think you do it on purpose. People think I'm like Princess of the Pea over here.
Do your alms in secret.
Do my alms in secret. I do my shovels in the public. Did you bury your rock, Harrington?
Why you fell in there?
I lost a nail though. I can't find it. I buried it too deep, I think.
Good luck. Jack,
I'm gonna get a new one.
you got more sticks? Did you find one for Harrington?
Shower.
What do you have? You found a sparkly stick.
No, I found it.
I like it.
So you hit it with the button.
What are you doing, Zeb?
So right now we're just lining stuff up because I got to put these support beams in. That way it'll carry the weight better on this big joist that holds all the floor joists.
All right, so it can hold up to dancing.
Sure.
All right.
Or kids jumping up and down and on the couches, you know.
Probably a more likely situation.
Adelia runs them in all right, but this last couple inches gets a little tough. To get this on camera. Come on, push on it. Making it happen. You know, it might be easier for you to like squat it up because you don't weigh very much, but you might be stronger like squatting it. Hey, put it back down at an angle. Put it back down at an angle and pull it up.
Oh, like.
Yeah, there you go. Get behind it and pull it up. Squat that thing up. Here, let me show you. So when you don't have enough weight to push it down, sometimes you can squat more than you weigh. So you just pull back like this. Use your legs and your back. Use your legs and your back to lift it up instead of your weight to push it down. So the hour-long front porch repair turned into a couple hours, but it's done now, so that's a good thing.
And it's drying, and Zeb is gonna finish up these few boards here. I'm gonna go home and cook. Actually, I'm just gonna unpack the takeout that I just picked up from our favorite Mexican restaurant. And if you're quick, you can get some.
Yeah, maybe it'll still be warm. We'll see.
Make sure you guys hit up JamiRayVintage.com for all your paint and products, and the new website, JamiRayVintageHome.com, for all the home decor and antiques that we sell. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.